Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about NorthOne and if you can open a personal account with them. The short and simple answer is no. NorthOne is exclusively for business accounts. The company's focus is on providing a financial platform designed specifically for freelancers, startups, and small business owners. They offer a business checking account that comes with features tailored to a business's needs, such as a high-yield APY, expense tracking, and integrations with business tools like QuickBooks and Stripe. Their goal is to help businesses manage their finances, separate their business and personal expenses, and simplify their accounting. So, if you're a business owner or freelancer looking for a banking solution that is built to support your business, NorthOne is an option worth considering. However, if you are looking to open a personal checking or savings account for your individual needs, you will need to look elsewhere. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.